Modal verbs are helping verbs that express possibility, necessity, ability, and permission. They do not change form and are followed by the base verb. It can rain today.
It can rain today.
He can win.
He can win.
We can dance.
We can dance.
You can run fast.
You can run fast.
I can swim.
I can swim.
He can drive.
He can drive.
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Can I ask something?
Can I ask something?
Can I use your pen?
Can I use your pen?
Can she call you?
Can she call you?
Can we play outside?
Can we play outside?
Can we leave?
Can we leave?
Could you help me, please?
Could you help me, please?
Could you open the window?
Could you open the window?
We could miss the bus.
We could miss the bus.
This could be dangerous.
This could be dangerous.
She could play the piano.
She could play the piano.
I could run fast.
I could run fast.
You could try studying harder.
You could try studying harder.
He could study more.
He could study more.
May I come in?
May I come in?
May I take a photo?
May I take a photo?
It may snow tomorrow.
It may snow tomorrow.
They may win.
They may win.
He might need help.
He might need help.
You might want to rest.
You might want to rest.
He might be at home.
He might be at home.
She might be busy.
She might be busy.
You must wear a seatbelt.
You must wear a seatbelt.
I must study tonight.
I must study tonight.
You must wear a mask.
You must wear a mask.
We must hurry.
We must hurry.
Shall we go now?
Shall we go now?
Shall I bring some coffee?
Shall I bring some coffee?
We shall visit Paris.
We shall visit Paris.
We shall meet again.
We shall meet again.
Drivers shall obey traffic laws.
Drivers shall obey traffic laws.
Citizens shall pay taxes annually.
Citizens shall pay taxes annually.
You should sleep early.
You should sleep early.
They should exercise daily.
They should exercise daily.
You should eat healthy.
You should eat healthy.
I should take a break.
I should take a break.
She should be here soon.
She should be here soon.
This movie should be good.
This movie should be good.